Look at that sun. Holy. Talk about a beautiful warm day. It started cool and then boom, it just got smoking hot. Now that light I bought, it's not that good. It starts out good and then by the morning it's completely dead. So it's not the greatest. We're gonna go take a walk down to another farm, Young's farm, because today a cow not got in, the guy brought him, I watched the whole thing. I think he brought the cows right through here, boom. Because me and Joy were working on this around the pond. We're cleaning all the leaves up, getting everything ready. Which way are we gonna go? I'm pretty sure the guy came with the cows, he walked right through here. I'm pretty sure. I think then when the kids or something came, they walked differently. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What happened? Thai needle. Thorn, I think they call it. Oh my God, look at the beauty. Chickens are coming in. If it's not too dark, I'm gonna walk over to Ham's place. Last time when I was leaving, he was building that chicken coop. And we were like, oh, he's building the chicken coop. Well, we were guessing if he's building the chicken coop. Are you sure we're gonna be able to get through here? Or should we walk that way? Well, it's locked. Follow me. Look at the garbage. Look at the garbage. Okay, bag. Bag, 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 bag. I think we can go this way. Yeah, you better walk this way. It's locked. I can see it's locked. I remember a time when I suggested we should put a gate in the very beginning, and my wife is like, what? A gate? I'm like, yeah, to keep people out. Because people would drive their motorbikes to get to the river and they'd come right through the farm. And ooh, this is hard to get through too. Okay, we're gonna walk back. Gives us more time to look at the sun. This is the soccer field, we're gonna say. You sure that's a soccer field? She says yes, it's a soccer field. Oh, the power line. The power line, look at it. It's off the post. And it's just in the tree. Okay, anyways, back to this cow thing. I swear, when I could hear the cows. I think there was 2 of them. And I thought that he just walked right, because we just took down the posts this morning because, are we gonna walk this way around? Okay, it's gonna be a solo mission. She doesn't want to walk through the field. Snakes. Cobras. I haven't seen a snake like a cobra for years. but they definitely have cobras. Okay, we're walking through. So we took down the fence there because this fence is all coming down. We're going to concrete a fence through here. So the blue mesh is where we're going to put all the materials, drop sand in there, bricks, posts, they're going to be concrete posts, and some steel. So the gate was open because we just took that post out today and dropped the fence because we wanted to get the materials in. And that's when I think the cows got in. So what we heard was the cows got into the garden. And let's go check out the garden. Oh, it's so pretty today. Look at the chickens. And it's funny about these cows is when we were building the house, I did a video on this cows. They kept on coming back and they were eating all of our Dang's garden, and I kept on kicking them out. So they were interfering with like drinking beer and stuff. I haven't walked the farm for a while. I'm gonna walk out to the back because Joy planted, I want to say sapote. She planted pineapple and some banana trees. And we haven't been back there, so look at this view. Why are you looking at me? You should be looking at the view. Look at this. Man, that's gorgeous. That is so beautiful out. A little warm, but. Okay, let's investigate Siyoung's place here. Turn around. This was my favorite spot. I know why he picked this spot, because this was awesome. I see a cat. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. See the cat? Hello, kitty, 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 kitty. Oh no, he's never seen. Okay, okay, well, sure seems like cats are taking over. Okay, so the garden is gonna be, look at all the stuff he has here. Oh, here's some fish sauce right here. Take a good look at that. All it's got to do is sit there and ferment. What is this? I have no idea what that is. Okay, so this is his garden. Here's my favorite fishing hole. So what they do here too is this sticks here that go out is for nets to catch fish. Let's flip this around again. Look at, he's building a little empire back here. Here's the frogs. You can see the frogs in there. Ooh, good. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my God. I wonder if I could change this setting. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That is so sexy, but okay, I'm gonna turn that up. Wow. This camera is amazing. I don't know what it was at before though. Okay, let's get back to this. Oh my God. This is just full of frogs. I don't know if I can do this. Oh. I don't even know how I did that. Hi, everybody. Okay, there is frogs, right? I don't know if you could see them in this. It's really hard in this little screen. Okay, anyways, I don't see much damage. Oh, ooh, he's got a garden all the way out. He's been busy. Okay, I don't know what actually got eaten, but here we go. So this is the garden, as you can see, there. He's obviously pumping water out. God, is that the sun just gorgeous? Let me just turn this down a touch. Now I played with this. I don't know if this is... Okay, there we go. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Okay, I'm gonna just, that's pretty much it. I don't see much damage from the cows, but he said they were eating everything. I don't know what exactly. Oh, here's pad. I think this is called kapow. This is spicy basil. Oh my God. See that? Spicy basil. This is where I came before to get chilies. This is the lemongrass. Okay, well, I don't see much damage. Okay, that was just a quick video. Thought there'd be something more interesting up there. I don't even need a hat right now. Oh, yeah. Why need a hat? The sun just looks awesome. But let's finish with this. Now it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day tomorrow. I've noticed one thing though. Ham's farm and Siung's farm, they're all turned over. And it doesn't look like they burnt it. So our farm, our farm's over there, and then Dang's farm's the one further down. They aren't turned. Because last year we had troubles. The tractor came in, the ground was too hard, and he said we have to burn it. And then he had to wait for rain. Trying not to burn it. Anyhow, quick little video, back at the farm video. Let's see. I forgot about this. We're gonna come over to Ham's and see what did he end up building. And here it is. He moved the chickens. They're freaking out. I don't want to freak out the chickens. Before, the chickens were right along his house there, right against the pond. Now he just moved it over here, which I figured that's what he was doing. It's okay, chickens. But here you go again. See, Ham, he has his all done, his whole farm. I called that. I was like, he must be moving those chickens away from his house. That was me. I'm snooping around. Ooh, lots of chickens. I hear my. It used to be so beautiful. I used to be able to see the sun come down from this spot, right? Yeah, we're late. There goes Noi. Bye, Noi. But what's funny to me is they concreted just to here. Now this way going back, it's a nightmare. Look at it.